Maisha kitegi, Thug style,
Thug life,
birthday, make it on. Maisha kigwangi, naishi maisha kigwangi. Siwezi kana hii lifestyle kipetero kiesu. Maisha kigwangi, naishi maisha kigwangi. Criminal lifestyle, guilty by association. Chenye expect no chenye na get. Gwangi ndio life. Maisha kigwangi, naishi maisha kigwangi. Siwezi kana hii lifestyle kipetero kiesu. Maisha kigwangi, naishi maisha kigwangi. Criminal lifestyle, guilty by association. Chenye na expect no chenye na get. Gwangi ndio life.
Mana spata Spana bana
spana
Life ya kigwangi Yo Tige yangu bila nguwa ya ibambi. Life ya kigwangi na ishi life ya kiji. Life mina live ni crazy, lazima nijikili na mahedi. After sin niko meditation, mina bridging tuna safety sense. Life mina ishi ni risky, daily na tafuta riziki, mina risk it. Life ya kigwangi si fiti lakini mimi nitafanya nini na nataka kudishi. Gavana na tuchaya alafu wanajiprotect na polisi. Sisi tukichaya wanatutumia mahesi, ukipafu na snap alafu ndo kipass. Hiyo ndo technique yangu ghetto, finesse na finesse. Hawa ma rich kids alafu na watokeza mapeso. Life ya kijindo, life mina live, life mina ishi ni life real. Sijai fake shit, sijai snitch, sijai snatch a bitch na idinya mina skip. Life ya kigwangi nilisare nimereform but still naishi fiti madhari na mapro wa mto.
Hold on, when him so, mini 110. Kauna kok, siwezi tense. Maisha ya kigwangi, tunaishio maisha. Maisha ya kigwangi, naishi maisha ya kigwangi. Siwezi kana hii lifestyle kipetero kiesu. Maisha ya kigwangi, naishi maisha ya kigwangi. Criminal lifestyle, guilty by association. Chenye na expect no chenye na get. Gwangi ndio life. Top G, man agrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr hobby ni smoking za si lazima tudunge kwa keja, tunakiwakishia kwa chom jicha mgani akigotea nangi tukipatana marampage mengi toxic chat less it's our G-code komoka na doza snago yo kitwa yeleweki wasted maisha inani cost wema kujituma siogopi cost mgenge rieng gang hizo ndo vako zangu ngori ya dobro kwa family yo ni ngori ya mi ai check left tunashizi streets siwe ni youth kweni suspect unaweza panguza carpet wangi akili yangu naweza do vitu more vile maandiko ndivyo takuwa hakuna mistake I'm mad about the paper ukizubatu na kuzubailia unruly niko na pembe mimi mrui